How to properly gown
What
and
up?
glove
It's your
for
boy,
surgery.
the Surgical Guru, and we're back with another video today. We're gonna show you how to gown and glove sterilely. So first thing we do is open up our gown away from you. You pull the tab, and you pull the tab to the left, this tab to the right, and that to the bottom. Now we open our gloves. All right. Oh, I'll be right out. All right, so we come in, we grab our paper towel, open it up, dry one side of your arm. My teacher used to always say to make sure you keep your arms out. You don't want to contaminate the paper towel by it touching your gown. Now you go down to the other side and dry off the other side of your hand. Alright, do the same thing. And you can get rid of your towel. Now we grab our gown. I feel like it, the way I describe it is it's kind of like a book. You know, that's like the book opening. And you gown on the side that like is like the brim of the book, I guess you would say. Alright, so you open it up. You find the arms, your space for your arms, you open it up. Kind of just stick my arm through. Anything on that side. Then you grab your gloves without touching the glue. Now I always try to keep a distance with my gown and where I'm gloving because I don't want to contaminate my gown. So you kind of put the cuff next to the cuff of your gown right there, and the cuff of the glove. I take the other hand, kind of flip it over, and as I'm flipping over, like kind of slowly sneaking your fingers up into the glove. And once you got that hand glove, you grab your other glove and kind of do the same thing. So I kind of match my thumb with my thumb there, flip it. There you go. Basically, that's about all that we do. Gowning and gloving, 101.